So we received DUIs, CSIBs, and badges. The manufacturers is Vanguard and Ira Green. So how we process a QA inspection is, first of all, I'm matching to make sure what they submitted match the paperwork. So it states that they have submitted 2nd Aviation Regiment. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Start menu button, Computer, go to the Technical and Production Division drive. And here you see, I don't know if you can zoom in, but it say Heraldic Quality Control Program. It's all in alphabetical order. So Heraldic Quality Control Program. Click on that folder. And then we have heralded insignia authorizations, heralded items, approval and disapproval letters. So you're actually gonna need both of those folders. So in the heralded insignia authorization folder, we have some Excel spreadsheets that I use. One is the authorization tracking database, and the other is the manufacturer certification database. You're going to need both of those spreadsheets. The authorization tracking database shows which manufacturer we have, certified manufacturer we have. So each one of the sheets, worksheets, I'll click on, depending on, say for instance this is Vanguard, we're going to work with Vanguard, so I will click on Vanguard at the bottom, and as you can see here, you have to do options and just click OK. It gives you control to input. But so here you see the item, the type unit, the date received, the date I received the item, the date I inspected, and the status, whether it was accepted or rejected. So accepted, this one right here was rejected, so I put that down. So what I do, because I need both spreadsheets, I minimize it. I'll minimize it, move it over in one window or a monitor or another. Then I'll go and get their manufacturer certification data worksheet. It's actually similar to the authorized manufacturer tracking database, except this one right here, it states when it was certified and when it's going to expire. So again, we're working with the first one we're going to work with is Vanguard DUI, so click on their workbook, and you have the item type, whether it's a DUI, badge, CSIB, metal decoration, ribbon, whatever. It falls under here. Drop down. And then you have the item name itself, and then the certification date. Like today, we're going to certify this, so you put this date in here, and it will automatically populate the expiration date when it expires. So it's a 5-year expiration date. So we're working with a DUI. So these are the spreadsheets you're gonna need. So I put them together in one window. Now you're gonna also need go back and go to the heraldic items, approval, disapproval letters. These are the letters that you send to the manufacturer once you've certified or disapprove their insignia items. So once you approve or disapprove them, these are the letters. And so I have it set up by the insignia type: badges, CSIBs, declarations, DUIs, embroidered items, ranks and grades, medals, what have you, lapel buttons. So I have it set up that way. So we're working with
we're going to work on a DUI. So we're going to go down and find DUI. I know I said you either approve it or disapprove it. Most of the time we approve these things, so I always start with the approval letters. That's what I always start with. So I go to this DUI cert approval letter. You have DUI cert disapproval letters, and we have the PDFs of them. The PDF is basically the letter that's just in a PDF form, so you can email it to the manufacturer instead of sending it out via mail. So you go to the approval letter, and we're being that the manufacturer is Vanguard. You go to Vanguard's folder. These are all Vanguard letters that these are all the ones that I approved or disapproved. So I always try to use the most current one.
Right.
So basically they're templates. That's what they are. Basically templates.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.